Ayan po yung niluto ko. Adobong sitaw. Ayan, tsaka partner natirang chicken joy kagabi. Solve na yun.
Good morning, everybody. They were eating vegetables.
What's vegetables what?
Green beans.
No, that is not a green beans.
That's
What is this?
vegetable green.
What is this?
Green.
It's a string beans or sitaw. Kumakain po siya ng vegetables, kahit anong vegetables, kinakain po niya. Hello po, magandang buhay. Dito po kami araw-araw. Bago magpunta sa school, ayan, habang kumakain, pinapatuyo ko na yung buhok niya para mapunihan. Ulam po namin ay adobong sitaw. Ayan. Makain po siya niya. Tapos yung natira kagabing chicken joy. Hurry up eating. Show to them that you're very good in eating.
Okay.
Tsura ko. Wala pang, pero okay lang. Kasi kailangan unahin tong mga alaga. Yung isa nasa school na.
It's pang umaga.
Yeah.
Anong pang kahapon, kuya?
Hurry up.
But it's more grade 4 and grade 3. Oh,
Sorry. Apo ko po ito. Pinahalaran natin yung buhok. Okay, show them that you're eating string beans. It's yummy. See? Dapat ang mga bata ay kumakain ng what? Gulay. Vegetables so that you will become a
Leo.
healthy and
Healthy and smart.
smart. Very good. Hurry up, eat. Hurry up, eating. Show them that you're faster in eating. That you're very good in eating.
I want chicken,
You want chicken?
but not spicy.
Okay. I wash my hand first.
Wash your hands first while touching the food.
Yeah, I'm washing my hands. Kayo po, anong pagkain nyo? Ito na rin pagkain namin. Adobong sitaw doon. Naghugas po ako ng kamay, ha? Kumakain ng chicken, pero ang gusto balat lang. Hurry up na. But I put this one. Kain po. Adobong sitaw yung
Okay, yes, you know.
niluto ko. Para may gulay. Hurry up eating.
Okay.
inihan ko muna ng buhok ko habang kumakain para makapag-bis. Oh, careful! Bihis ng dami uniform. Tapos kung punihan ready ko na rin yung baon ng kuya niya. Kasi pag ano yun, dinadala niya ng pagkain yung kuya niya kasi 2:00 pa ang labas niya. Kayo guys, nakaluto na. Routine po namin to araw-araw. Gosh, you think that you're very good in eating.
Chicken joy.
What?
Chicken joy.
Chicken joy. Shouldn't. Tira ka gabi yan na chicken joy kasi
Family day.
kahapon is family day daw. Tapos sabi ng teacher, kailangan mapicturean na kumakain ang buong pamilya, ipapasa sa GC.
But we only have, we're 5 here. We doesn't have mommy and Hela.
Because your mommy is living in the other
House.
oh, see?
And also Papa's living in the other house.
That is why we're only here.
I uwi in 2 like Kuya. Kuya sundo me.
Kuya, go to your room?
Kuya said to me, you have, I don't know, juice? And I said, yeah. Because his water is ubos na.
And he drink your juice?
Yeah, but a little bit.
Hurry up. Ay, maaga pa naman. Ano lang. 10.
I said ka lang.
45. 12 pa yung pasok niya. Kaso lang, 11:30, umalis na siya dito. Kasi, yung break time ng kuya niya is 11:45 for lunch. Ay, siya nagdadala ng pagkain niya. Pero tama-tama lang yun, 11:30 ang alis kasi malayo-layo din yung ano niya. School.
My started class is in 12. Started class.
Hurry up, ito. You subo na. You shouldn't. That you're very good in eating. Ano to, nag-almusal na to kanina din eh. Yung, ang aga pa kasi, pero kailangan niyang kumain ng lunch kasi 6 o'clock pa yung out niya. 12 to 6.
12 to 6?
Yeah. 6 p.m.
6 p.m. is so night time.
Yeah, it's already night.
Because I'm passing back to hapon. Kuya kaya uwi in afternoon or something. You will uwi in 2?
2:30.
Like last time I uwi in 2:45.
Yeah. It was yesterday.
Yeah. Because it was funny.
Kaya binibihisan ko na at inaayusan ko na yan para dadaanan mamaya ni daddy niya dito yan. Ihatid na sa school.
Daddy wasn't binangunan. Papa.
Hurry up na.
I'm eating this one. Oh, some. What?
Hurry up eating, children. Talk to them.
I'm eating green bean and chicken joy with sabaw. Look, I almost finished the one being green. Look, big bite. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Out, out, out.
Ayan na po. Pretty na siya. Hurry up na eating. Uy.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye for thanks for watching. Subscribe to Momsy and like and comment and share and follow. Bye-bye.